I'm going to show you how to make salt, pepper and garlic pork belly.
The meat is tender and deliciously fragrant. With the aromas of garlic, chilies and spring onions, you get a super tasty dish. It's perfect with rice and cucumber. Take 1.5 pounds of pork belly. Choose a lean one. Cut it into slices about 3/4 of an inch thick. You can keep the rind if you like it or remove it. Slice 2 spring onions. It is often added at the end of the preparation. It adds flavor and freshness. Take 1 head of garlic. Crush the cloves. It makes peeling easier and helps releasing more flavor. This garlic will be roasted with the pieces of meat. It will become very pleasant to eat. In Thailand, we use hot chilies like these. I prefer to replace them with 3 mild, so-called vegetarian chilies. They come from the Antilles and are very fragrant and not hot at all. Chop them too. You can also use a piece of bell pepper instead. Heat a pan over medium-low heat. Add the pieces of pork belly. Use a flat and large pan to better sear them. We do not add any oil. Since we cut the slices quite thick, it also prevents them from drying out too much during cooking. Let them sear for about 8 minutes. Turn them over and let them cook for another 5 minutes. They will have a nice grilled flavor. Both sides are lightly grilled, but the meat is not yet completely cooked. The trick is to cut them into pieces like this now. If I had cut the meat into small pieces at the beginning of cooking, it would be drier and less tender. Continue cooking for 5 minutes, stirring often. Tilt the pan to easily remove the fat with paper towels. Try to remove as much as possible. Add the chopped garlic. Increase the heat to high and stir for 1 minute. You should smell a very pleasant aroma. Then add the chilies and stir for 30 seconds. Then season with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Stir for another 30 seconds. Adding the salt at the end of the cooking prevents the pieces of meat from losing their juices, so they keep tender. The sugar adds a little caramelization. Add the spring onions. Stir for 20 seconds and turn off the heat. The salt, pepper and garlic pork belly is ready. Enjoy it with jasmine rice. Bon appétit!
Bon appétit!
The pieces of pork belly are tender, including the rind. They are fragrant and flavorful. The small pieces of roasted garlic, sweet chili pepper, and spring onions goes perfectly with the rice. A little cucumber dipped in chili sauce completes the meal. Here's a quick reminder of the key points for making this dish a success. Cut the pork belly into not too thin slices. Sear them gently without adding oil. Then cut them into small pieces. Use the 3 Asian essential ingredients: garlic, chilies and spring onions, and season at the end of cooking. I quickly show you how to make the dipping sauce for the cucumber. For 4 servings, mix 1 or 2 sliced hot chilies, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish.